is down 2-1.
Okay, this is the behind the scenes of the Atlanta Siren Division, or featuring South Carolina. So
no, he's a political prisoner.
Covington, Georgia. What is it? Loudon ES-4000.
It is a 4000, yes.
Okay. We got our.
Yeah, and I've got the most overkill hearing protection too. But hey, sometimes overkill's better, you know? Take it from me.
Yeah.
Take it from somebody who's completely deaf in his right ear.
Yo, Chris.
Hello.
Any last words?
This is Trains and Sirens 1. Just gonna be filming the siren just for going out for the Newton County today's
I got
test.
some last words. I got some. Thank you to the people of this correctional institution for taking care of me, and tell the governor he just lost my vote.
Yeah, do the thing again. Classy. Well, at least I got it on my VHS.
Oh, that was a little bit on the underwhelming side, wasn't it?
Yeah, at least we got something. That's just the way Newton County is.
Yeah, wish I had more mechanicals. If they had some bolts or something, I'd definitely go after those. Oh, am I still on video?
Yeah, you're on the video.
Oh, and Christopher dropped a wrench. He's gonna get arrested.
You dropped a wrench, you're gonna get arrested. And I don't even know what the I'm thinking. What?
Give him the death penalty.
Please don't copy trash. I don't like trash in my videos, so now I'm gonna have to cut the audio.
I just said give him the death penalty. How's that trash talking?
Use the F word.
I said death. Give him the death penalty.
No, he.
Oh.
No, not
All right,
you.
well, in that
him.
case. So, what now? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I love you too. Oh.
Well, to quote the great Jezza, what?
Go ahead.
Yeah, I was well upset about getting late to the test.
No. I'm happy I got my VHS aesthetic. Smile, boy.
Okay, then.
Hang on, let me. Same with mine.
Now the question is, do I hitch a ride in super nice JDM, or do I hitch a ride in a very weirdly decorated Corolla? It's the greatest debate of all time. And of course, I'm a normie that can't drive yet,
Did you
so...
take my cell phone?
Yeah. Yeah, recording
No,
with VHS aesthetic.
Yeah, no, I'm not really a lunatic like that,
I don't know where
VHS
we're gonna
people,
go.
so yeah,
Let me go.
I'm completely sane.
So yeah, well, in the words of Jezza, what you're seeing here is Asperger's made real.
That one makes me smell funny.
Yes.
No, that's asparagus.
Yes, it does.
And,
Boy.
and
Yes, it does.